Hello everyone, I'm Linda from the Fader team, and today I'm going to show you how to produce a 360 story with Fader very easily and fast. Fader is a VR platform that allows you to create and share your own interactive 360 stories. Once you log in, you click on New Story and you will see our Fader editor. The editor has a nice what you see is what you get preview at the center of the screen, so you're always inside the story that you're creating at any time. At the top left, you can give your story a title. So here I'm just going to put Get Fader. And on the right hand side, you can see the content bar. This is the place where you can manage all the content that goes into your current 360 story. Here you can see you can add 360 content, of course. 2D videos and images, so-called flatties, audio files, you can add text to your story, and define interactive hotspots. Right now everything is empty because we haven't added any media content to the story yet. If you want to add media to your story, all you have to do is click on Add Media and you will have access to the media library. This is a really cool part because you can actually see media that you either have uploaded before, or you can use published media content from other Fader users. That means you could actually work collaboratively. Now, let's say we're looking for content that's been uploaded by someone else. I could browse through the library. I could also search for the term elevator and get this search result. It's a 360 video, so I can drag this into my story bucket on the right so that I can use it in my current 360 story. If I want to upload my own 360 content, I go to Upload, I pick a file and upload it straight into my current story. And during the uploading process, Fader is analyzing the file and it is transcoding the file, making sure that it is available in various resolutions. That way, Fader can guarantee that stories are being played out on different devices. So let's say I'm also looking for yet another video, so I'm looking for a video in the public library and I can add that into my story bucket as well. Okay, that's it for now. I have 3 media assets that I can use for my current Fader story, and the cool thing is I can always go back anytime and add more media content and use that for my story. Now back in the Fader editor at the bottom, you can see that we're currently in scene 1. Now when I go to the content bar, I can find my media files that I just included for the story, and at first let me add the 360 photo that I uploaded into my first scene. I went to a festival not too long ago and I took a 360 shot close to the stage that I wanted to share with folks. So that's it. I don't want to add anything in this scene. And now I go to the second scene and add the 360 video that I found in the public library, and I can preview play that scene. Now, if I published this story as is right now, these 2 scenes would automatically play out one after the other. And I can also switch scenes or add more scenes even after I published the story. So this is the cool thing about a web-based platform. You can always go back to the story and change things around. Now let's say I want to add another scene and I want to add text to a scene. I just go here and write it in here directly. That means the text is not being rendered out. I can always go back and change it whenever I want to. I can add a background to it, I can change colors and just make sure that I like it the way it looks. And after that I can reposition the text within this scene. Also, I'm just adding a 2D video in here just for the fun of it. And again, I can switch the order of the scenes whenever I feel like it and turn this scene, for example, into a menu scene at the beginning of the story. And I can add more text and preview the whole story after that. After previewing the story, and if I'm happy with my story, then I can actually publish it in 2 different ways. For one, I can just create a link and share it with a limited amount of people, or I publish it also on our Discover page for people to enjoy the story on Fader. Okay, that's it for now. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Fader team at fader@vragments.com. On our website, getfader.com, you can sign up for the platform, you can browse through Fader stories, read some cool endorsements, and learn more about our upcoming plans and where we're headed with Fader. Arrivederci, bonsoir, goodbye und auf Wiedersehen.